What are the forces that bring about change in history? One thing that makes a difference is the role of dissent. Dissenters are people who have challenged the system and demanded a different and better way of life. One source of change was a seamstress called Rosa Parks. She dared to sit in a non-black section of a bus and demand her rights as a human being. She was arrested and she put on the agenda civil rights of black Americans. What was remarkable and courageous about what Rosa Parks did was that when previous black people had done this, they had been murdered. So this was a courageous stand for her to take. And her case was taken up by her local pastor, and his name was Martin Luther King. The civil rights movement for black Americans was born, and it led to the first black president of the United States.